Edeba Adom TV. Jumedi a wohwewe eye nkuranhye jumedi. Na me amede jumedi ho chia me edi amnye so ene Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego. Meda asese ode wa fidie atoa. Ene asema mede nam no atifi sem ne say what controls you? Ede na ehye so. Ede na ugina so ede fatimupo. Ede na ugina so ede ye nneoma a woyo. Nia ehye so no ebekire bebe abefa. Miya abrante akwada ketekete na ma mekire me say eya ahya wo so. So asem no kan no. O say eya ahya wo so. Mse ma me. Tere bia nya mia o. Ebia na namfo ye bi. Ebia na amanfo fa benkum. Minko me kofa nifa ese be me kwasea. Dodo na dia dodo na ye na makoye bi. Me ya den hye mo so hye wo so. Sua se obehye wo so. Self future ma me de ma me na eboa me yie ahohyeso. Na to da bia me say dey na hye wo so. Many people spend their life focusing on what they have gone through or what may happen to them, and they live at the mercy of the control of their circumstances. Bebre en wona braba wo boy. Nyoma ehye won so eye ne atwam dada. Ani empo de beba enya maaye. Ena wo bu hu konta ena wo di yawo. We de ko ye me ye o. We de atwam me de mentimi o. We de mi se we de mi mfa nche no. We de fa en wo kyan so de mi hu de beba e mawu. Bebre en wona braba nyoma ehye won so eye ne atwam ko ye ene da wanim. Therefore, they live at the mercy of what happens to them. They live at the mercy of other people, and they are not able to live on their own terms. Dodo na na sabe nia wade ye wom de besie ani empo nia obi beka ana obi beyo ana de obi nka a obi ebeyo no ana ekro na brabo we de me ye wanye maye we de wanye ni senti ha me we de ni senti ha me nia obi yo ena ni obi ka di obi anyo ene ni obi anka no ena ehye na brabo so eba ne sa brabo wo no wankasa won kura twere dua entwere wa brabo mu nsem asa wa brabo akɔhye nioma esisi brabo mu nioma eba besie ene nioma ankrofo eyo na manfo ka. But my brother, my sister, if you want to enjoy a great life, if you want to have a very happy life, you need to be careful not to be controlled by these 5 things. Because so person brabo eyi na edimu. O person we ne jepa, ne ma numa mabodi. Ema ebi nhyew enkyere bebe brabo ebeko. Dedi kan your past. De atwam. Empaninsi ye de your wo no. Sa anya o ya yesa de obi o ampa. Eya o ya no nkyere se obetwedwa asu agina mu sebe awa ho twetwede. Eya ya kyese se usua de free ne atwam no. Eya se utimi to na montuo efree ne atwam no na de ode ye wo no pepe se baba we na brante o me ka se ka wo anim mu ase so na wadi nkunim enti de atwam no wo ma ne hye oso ha ekire mekomu akire mu to so mienu enkrofo da foforo etemopo ene watemuo a wotie o abrabo ho a empo di bubra. When you are controlled by the opinions and judgments of others, you can never have a fulfilling life. Your own limited beliefs that project on yourself. You know how would GD then so ya consider and some how can you team and so ya begro and also a show so no abrabo atochia. Number 4, enkita hudia would na brabum. One year on kita relationships can also control you to the extent say why have abrabo a bear mobile. A crack na money, so money, sika. San your men num when I saw Shannon so. Now one ma emu baako enkyerɛw enhyew abrabɔ so. Sika. Nkita hodia hodo. Ene ma ɔka no adwen pro so asabe ensem fata esi okwan. Empo enkrɔfo foforo etimopo ene watemuo ena empo naano. Mame mfa die dikan. Daache no, naano no. Whatever happened, you must let it go. Yabana badada. Leave the pain of the past behind so you can face your future with a new set of competency. The etwa mu no ebia na wan hunu no yo. ebia na wanhu ne ka ebia nia oye de ye wo no so nim nia oyo atwam se wo pe akade foforo na bisa ho se de kura me ne de da manim no ma den ayo na bebia me se si for me se si for biom bebia me din kugo me ni kugo bebia me yamfom so me nyamfom so biom na mo megina ho aye de sefata na mabrabo adim. You see, leave the darkness of your past behind so it cannot block the light of your bright future. The atwam na kwese sum so wo de wani to the atwam no mu akosi bebia wan hwemu a ebesi odache ehan kan. The past could be a dark past. Don't focus on it to blind your future in darkness. Your future can be light. Let the past go. Whatever happened may be unjust. Whatever happened may be cruel. Whatever happened may be harsh. Whatever the case, reliving the events will never do you any good. The Chamuno ya. The Chamuno and some fata. The Chamuno a duani. The Chamuno no kure amount says from. The Chamuno more catchy. Nanso fasudie bi ani ho se obebobo hu agina ho atwege asu ekosi se ofam nti. If somebody did you wrong, the only way you can win is if you let it go and move on. So be your bibi enye. So be can bibi enye kire wa de wetima ya ne se jamu na koso ekowanim. So what na what time a uninkunim. If you live in hate, you will never win. If you live in anger and sadness, you can never win the battle of life. If you want to win the battle of life, you must focus on building your future, and you have to start right now. O peso bravo, awadie, usikasem, wapop mede yanya ne de kire wo nya na mama yanya na papa yo ye. Na mmom wankasa ne awokura won nsem abayo ne ne. Ahese edimu esefata. Oh na no de na de ye won akwasa adeso na so won na kura wachi. The past is like a heavy burden. It's like a weight on your back. Drop it so you can be free on the journey of life. Bebre na de de won ya na ekura awraho na ekura nti wo so bag o yawdie ukura bag won sabenkum awraho ukura bi atete ukura bi memfa nche e na wonkura na mabrabo mu a bag ahodo na so won na ekura wo na ade bubra. Bed then as a foforo ba betimi ro nsa so mu sabenkum da so ade foforo mu. Ni father so from ebi suuti ebi kura wonan ho na foforo ba obeden e de aka obrabo ho ade papa wo anim wonyan wiwe wonim nya abenya enda so e wo hode ma odaachi simple ware na anko yi ne simple bibi na oyo ya odi nkuguo simple obrabo na enye yi na mpaba jamu na wonsam he ha na watimi afa foforo e de abubra. Do not let the events of the past which are now gone to reign your future and your present. And then, and watching a mobile de papa. This is the day that I have made. Rejoice and be glad in it. And that day, na my war. My home sepel. No, no, say, Odim say that day, and no, be dying. Now, no, I'm here, man, ye know, a chance to make on the same saying. Now, so Jamua, when ye be, I said, what Jamu as son or daching, I may ye dear. Ana me do be sie jamu manenka wate jamu manenka na o jamu manenka enye hwe woni onyame entina.